Dear students, today we can learn about the verbs. A verb is a word that shows action. Already we know the action words are called verbs. Jump, sleeps, eat, sing, dance, everything's of verbs. In that we can study today transitive verbs and the intransitive verbs. A transitive verbs exerts its action on a direct object to express a complete thought. For example, Maya sent candy from Switzerland. My mother took me to the zoo last week. Mark passed Joseph his cigarette. So that means every transitive verb has the object. If there is no object, that is not a transitive verb. We must remember that if there is a transitive verb, there must be object. அதை நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம் இப்போது. அதாவது transitive verbனாலே கண்டிப்பாக அதில் கொஸ்டின் இருக்கும், வாட் அல்லது whom அப்படின்ற கொஸ்டின் இருக்கும். ஸோ நம்ம சொல்லலாம் transitive verbs are verbs that express actions with an object. ஸோ ஆப்ஜெக்டோடு இருக்கக்கூடியதான் transitive verbs. We shouldn't forget that. So without object, there is no transitive verbs. We can say so many examples. I saw an apple. I eat an apple. I cut an apple. What did you cut? I cut an apple. So the object of a transitive verb can be a noun, pronoun, or a noun class or phrase. இப்போ இதுக்கு நம்ம எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்க்குறோம். I threw the ball. That means the ball is the object there. I threw the ball. So that is the transitive verbs. We beat them. This is the pronoun as object. Pronoun as object. Already we have studied the pronouns. I think that you are correct. Noun class as object. So இங்கே வந்து object இருக்கு. Beat them. Them is the object. And here transitive verb require an object to complete their meaning. For example, imagine that I say I bought. இப்போ நான் உங்கள்கிட்ட சொல்கிறேன் I bought. Suddenly you will ask, what did you buy? So you will ask the question again, what did you buy? So what did you buy? So I can say I bought pencil, I bought a pencil, I bought a pen, I bought a car, I bought a cell phone, whatever maybe I can say. So this sentence is incomplete when I say I bought. So there must be the object. So because bought is a transitive verb and transitive verb needs an object after it to complete the sentence. The object after a transitive verb can be a noun or a pronoun. I bought a car. Now the sentence is completed. அப்போது ஒரு transitive verbல ஒரு object இல்லாமல் இருந்தால் அது வந்து transitive verb-ஆக முடியாது. So I bought a carல முடியுதுன்னா there is a car is a object. Let's look at some other examples also. She likes. இப்போ நான் உங்கள்கிட்ட சொன்னேன்னா she likes அப்படி சொன்னா நீ என்ன கேட்பேன்ட்ட what does she like? Like is a transitive verb. So we need an object after the verb. She likes chocolate. So now it's finished. Now we know what she likes. So this sentence is complete and correct. So chocolate is object. So that is the transitive verb. Now the example. Again we can see some of the example. I cut my finger. I cut. So if I say I cut, suddenly you'll ask, what did you cut? So cut what? So cut is a transitive verb because you need to cut something. அப்போ அங்கே ஏதாவது ஒன்று ஃபினிஷ் ஆகணும், ஆப்ஜெக்டோடு அது ஃபினிஷ் ஆகணும். ஐ கட் மை ஃபிங்கர் இஸ் அ ஆப்ஜெக்ட். ஸோ வி கேன் சே இஃப் தேர் இஸ் ஆப்ஜெக்ட் அண்ட் இஃப் கிவ் ஃபுல் சென்ஸ் தட் இஸ் கால்ட் transitive verb. Transitive verb always ask what or whom. Already I told you, what or whom. There must be the questions. What did you buy? I bought a car. What did you cut? I cut my finger. Whom did she invite? I invited Varshika. So I can say like this. These are called transitive verbs. So again we can see some of the examples before that. Subject plus transitive verb plus subject plus transitive verb plus object. This is the form of the transitive verb. There must be the subject, then transitive verb, then surely there must be the object. So this is transitive verb. Now we can see some more examples. The same rules apply to phrasal verbs. That's some transitive verb. Let us see some of the things. If someone says I am looking for, suddenly you'll ask, what are you looking for? Looking for what? Looking for whom? So I can say I am looking for my passport is an object there. So my passport is the object that you are looking for. அப்போ இந்த பாஸ்போர்ட்டு கூட இந்த I am looking for கூட இந்த my passport வந்ததுனால அந்த sentence finish ஆச்சு. Example sentences using transitive verbs now. I opened the door. I opened the door. The door is an object. I can ask, what did you open? So I can give the answer, I opened the door. So this is a transitive verb. She kicked the ball. What did she kick? She kicked the ball. The ball is the object, so that is the transitive. Again, we can see some of the example here. He took me to the restaurant. Me to a restaurant. So that is the transitive verb. Again, I saw an accident. What did you see? I saw an accident. So I can say that is a transitive. Now we can see intransitive. What is intransitive verb? So without object, there must be no object. Intransitive verbs are verbs that express action without an object. Example, I ran. See, I ran. I ran சொல்லும் போதே அது முடிஞ்சிச்சு. நான் ஓடுறேன். அதுக்கு கூட எனக்கு எதுவும் தேவைன்னு இல்லை. அது சென்டென்ஸ் முடிஞ்சிச்சு. I ran swiftly. I ran in the race. The swiftly, fast, in the race இதெல்லாம் வந்து adverb. This is not an object. இப்படி வர்றது intransitive verbs. I ran. அதுக்கு கரெக்டாக ஒரு மீனிங் கொடுக்கும். I ran swiftly. I ran in the race. So that is the intransitive verbs. Again, we can see some of the examples also. Intransitive verbs cannot have a direct object after them. He arrived. He arrived in varadile sentence meaning vanduchu. Here we cannot have an intransitive verb express an act that is complete in itself and it doesn't need an object to receive the action. So that is the intransitive verbs. Already I told you, without object, the intransitive verbs. So we can see some of the examples also. See, the baby smiled. Smiled water நம்ம கேட்க மாட்டோம். The smiled முடிஞ்சிச்சு. Here we cannot have an object after the intransitive verb smiled. So this is the intransitive verbs. The apples fell from the tree. So here also this from the tree is not an object. The apple fell from the tree. So you cannot something else there. So fell from the tree is not an object. This is the adverbial phrase. It is the adverbial phrase. அதாவது இது வந்து adverbial phrase-ஆ இருக்கிறதுனால இது வந்து பார்த்தீங்களா தெரியும், the apple fell from the tree. The apple fell வந்தாலே அங்கே மீனிங் வந்துச்சு. ஸோ நமக்கு வந்து இது intransitive. Example, sentences using intransitive verbs. She sneezed loudly. Loudly is the adverb. Your baby cries a lot. A lot is also a adjunct. So that is intransitive verbs. That rain fell heavily. Heavily is also adjunct. The rain fell heavily. Heavily is adjunct. We sat on the bench. On the bench is also not an object. So we can say that is the intransitive verb. So at last we can conclude this now. What is transitive verb and intransitive verb? Transitive verbs are action verbs that have an object to receive that action. So there are some examples. I baked some cookies. I ride the bicycle. I move the chair. What did you bake? Some cookies. Object. What did you ride? The bicycle. Object. The bicycle. What did you move? The chair. I move the chair. So these are the objects. So that is the transitive verb. Now intransitive verb. Intransitive verbs are action verbs. But unlike transitive verbs, they do not have an object receiving the action. I laugh. I cried. The book falls. She smiled. She shouted. So in these sentences you can see there is no object. So it's a intransitive verb, but it gives meaning. That's what we want to know. Now we know what is transitive verb, what is intransitive verb, and some of the examples also we have studied. From your book you can learn. Thank you.